I like weeding. When you're down there and you are in the middle of the scents and you can see what's coming up, and it's so therapeutic. It stimulates the senses, you're getting scents and things. But really, gardening comes from here. And when you are in the garden, this is where it's happening. It's coming in this way and this way, but this is where it's happening. And you can stand in that garden and you just feel this peace descend on you. But if you are loving what you're doing and loving what is there, and you get that experience from it, for me, it's lovely to share that. And people often come up, they'll come to the garden and they will spend a long time here. And they're doing nothing but sitting and drinking it in, and drinking the tea and eating the cakes.
You open the curtains and you look out there and you just think, wow, it is very good at relieving stress, because how can you look at that and feel stressed?